Hey guys, welcome to Galaxy Sparkles, where I turn imagination into reality. Thank you for tuning in and giving me a few minutes of your time. Leave a comment below and let me know how my craftsmanship has came along. Also like and share this video. And if you'd like to watch my progression as a one-stop shop, subscribe and let us take the journey together. Galaxy Sparkles.
All right, good morning, guys. Today is Friday, December 6th, 2024. I have an idea for a ring I'm gonna make, and I got some pickle in. I received my flux, so we are going to see if I am able to create some sort of jewelry. All right, guys, we're gonna get this thing annealed again and pickle it and begin doing some forming. All right, guys, we got our little piece here, and let's see if we can't straighten this thing out and have a nice foundation to begin with. We're gonna split it in half. And I'm going to make some zigzags. I'm gonna put them together, make some zigzags so they're identical curves. We're gonna flip them around. We're gonna solder it together. So we'll have some sort of diamond type pattern on the inside of the ring. And then we're gonna solder two outside rings around it and have a hollow ring. And in the future, whenever I get better at crafting that type, what I plan on doing is taking some opal and inlaying it into the inner parts of it and making it pretty cool stuff. I just have a whole lot of different ideas, and I like to just go one day at a time, improve my craftsmanship, and see if we can't make this happen. So let's get in there and begin this process and see what we can't come up with. Y'all hang tight. Be right back. All right, guys, we just got that out of the pickle and got it all bent up. Looks like who done it. But we are going to work with what we got. Main focus for today is see if we can't get this soldered up. All right, guys. We did get us some solder joints made this morning. I'm happy about that. I'm not happy about how it's definitely not what I had intended in my mind, but oh, that's so hot. Bam. 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 And bam. Yeah. Pull that off. All right, guys, we got that we got that soldered up, and it looks like it's holding real nice. So I think what my next step is going to be is go get two flat pieces and make the outside edge, and we'll bend it into a ring and see what happens. I know I'm definitely going to have to get my, I didn't do no measuring. I just kind of went by. Anyway, we ain't going to talk about craftsmanship today. We working on soldering. Today's about soldering. And, that's funny. That's funny. But anyway, that's what we got for today. We're going to make our little outside edges and build us a ring. Y'all hang tight just a minute. I'll be right back. All right, guys, let's make these first two solder joints, and then we will beat it in place a little bit so we can continue on. I'm going to have to make the first two solder joints and then shape it so I'm able to continue on soldering. So here we go. Yeah, let's see if we can get this one. All right, I think we got them two. Let's see if we got them two. I think we did. Yeah. Now then, we can cool that off and bend it around just a little bit. Cool them tongs off. They're a little spicy. Then we'll take it out in the garage and do a little beating and manipulating and get it whipped in some kind of shape. Because, boys, that thing is all kinds of jacked up. Dang. We're going to do better tomorrow, though. I'm just happy we're getting some soldering done today, guys. That's nice. We're like every joint made, except that first one because it just moved on me. But other than that, we're batting perfect today. All right, guys, I'm going to get this pickled. We're going to get out in the garage and do a little manipulating of this metal. And I'll be right back with you. Hang tight. All right, we got us a pair of pliers here. And we're going to bend that back into shape. All right, that one there is about ready to solder. Dang, I got it all kinds of twisted, fellas. Dang. Looks like Bozo got to hold this dang thing. Golly, that's ridiculous. My. Oh boy, I'm getting a bright idea. That's too thick, it won't go that way. I knew better, guys. Dang, I'm really jacking this little thing up from... Dang. What a good time. Solder joints are strong as much as I'm twisting on them. My goodness. This ring looks like who done it, guys. This has got to, but hey, the solder joints are good. Solder joints are strong, guys. Well, we're definitely going to be having to do some work on figuring out how to manipulate this metal a little bit, a whole lot better, because this is like flunking. This ain't even a D minus. You know, I've been doing some D minuses here lately, but this is definitely a flunk as far as craftsmanship goes. But hey, we're going to get the dang soldering down, boys. That's for sure. So let's get in here and do a little soldering and get this thing put together best we can for today. We'll work on craftsmanship next time. That's for dang sure. Now that we got the soldering down, we're going to begin working on some craftsmanship. I took a big old chunk though, man, guys. I'm telling you, the craftsmanship level to create a ring like this with so many different manipulations of the metal, that's a big task for a beginner, but this is just the kind of imagination I have that I know I'm able to do this stuff. I just don't have the damn technique or the knowledge, and I haven't got these hands trained well enough for what's in my mind to put it into reality with dang precision, with quality, with A+ quality. But nonetheless, it is brought to reality. It's just, man, this is not what I had intended on for sure. But hey, let's go in here. I'm not whining and crying. I just got to do better. Now that I've got my soldering under control, and I know it wasn't me it wasn't my fault that knowing it wasn't my fault that I couldn't get the dang soldering done because I just did not have the correct materials. And now that we got the correct materials in, we got some soldering done. So I'm very pleased with that. Very pleased. So let's go in here and solder that up. Looks like we got it all kind of mounted down. Dang, it's hot. All right, guys, we got our other side there hooked up. Looks like I'm gonna be able to make at least 3 solder joints, possibly, unless it moves on me. So let's see what happens here. There it goes. Well, that heat sure bounces off that charcoal and gets up there. Dang. That one took. That one has a pretty nice gap. I don't know if it's going to take or not. Let's see if it'll take. Ah, yeah, it took. Gosh, dang, that's hot. Alright, that's all she wrote for now. We'll have to quench it and bend it around a little bit and see what happens. You know, hang tight. Ah. guys. Soldering is definitely an A+ today. That is a great accomplishment. Get the right materials in and oh shit, things begin happening. All right. Let me get this thing pickled up, flip it over. We'll finish soldering up and bend it into some sort of circular something. I don't know what we're gonna make it out, but we're gonna make it into something. All right, y'all hang tight just a minute. I'll be right back. Get out to the garage and I'll see y'all in just a second. Y'all hang tight. All right, guys, here we are out in the garage where we can make a little racket. I could have definitely probably grabbed a bigger mandrel, but for now, this will be just fine. Let's see what we can't do here. Oh boy. Dang, I done jacked that thing up bad, guys. Holy crap. Dang, oh dang. Well, sometimes you just gotta wave the white flag, guys. Sometimes you just have to wave the white flag. Golly, it looks like, gosh dang, who done it? Hey, I am completely satisfied with the solder joints. 100%, I give my solder joints today an A+. Craftsmanship, well, man, you can't even flunk no damn worse than that. That has got tomorrow is going to definitely, we're going to go with it easy. I bit off a lot more than I could chew today. That's just more than I could chew. My craftsmanship, my understanding and the manipulation of this kind of metal, of this kind of, I understand the manipulation of the metal in my field where I come from, but as far as manipulating the metal in the jewelry industry, I have a lot to learn, and I just bit off more than I could chew today, and I'm gonna have to wave the white flag. I'm not a quitter by no means, but guys, there's just no coming back from this. It's just too far out of shape. Just too far out of shape. But the solder joints held magnificently. Not one of them broke. So we are definitely an A+ 100% on that. I'm very happy with that. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to leave it there, guys. That's where I'm gonna have to leave it. So that's all I got for today, guys. Tomorrow is definitely gonna be a better day on the bench, and I'm gonna definitely go with a lot easier, more of a beginner style ring for sure. I just bit off more than I could chew today. So guys, thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good Friday. Don't get too wild tonight. Wake up early in the morning. Tomorrow's going to be 59 degrees, 50-something degrees here tomorrow. It's in the damn 40s all day today, so I'm staying inside, covered up, next to the heater, and then going to enjoy my Friday. But, guys, thank y'all for tuning in once again. Like, comment, and subscribe, and like always, I'm going to send you a huge energy ball full of energy, love, joy, and connectedness coming at you. If you stayed till the end, I hope you catch it. I hope you catch all that good, positive, high vibrational energy I just throwed at you. If not, maybe tomorrow. Thanks, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.